Want to keep standby mode always on your iPhone? This feature can turn your iPhone into a smart display when charging in landscape mode, and you can ensure it stays on without turning off automatically. Let's go through the steps to keep standby mode always on. Let's get started. First of all, open settings on your iPhone, scroll down, and tap standby. Toggle the standby switch to on. After that, turn on night mode. Now, remember that standby mode only works when your iPhone is in landscape mode. So, place your iPhone sideways on a stand while charging, and it should show up. And in low light, it will switch to night mode and keep standby always on. Easy, right? By following these steps, you should be able to keep standby mode always on in iOS 18 or later. If the video helped you out, smash that like button. And if you want more awesome content like this one, subscribe to the channel as always. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.